Rashmiti Sood, the head girl of Buddadal Public School, Patiala. I, Janadveer Boparai, the student discipline in charge.
I am the Chok Kaur.
Myself, Nandini Gupta.
My name is Shreyas Sharma.
I am Prisha Quatra from.
I'm Sahaj.
My name is Govinda Kaur.
I'm Surur Sharaf.
My name is Sahaj.
My name is Chehak.
My name is Jessica Singh.
And I am a student of Buddadal Public School, Patiala.
I'm Pujot Taliwal, the coordinator of Buddadal Public School. Our Padhai Zindagi Banai Abhiyan has given us a golden opportunity to be a part of this noble mission and donate whatever we can, like bags, books, erasers, etc. These bags, books, which are just useless for us, can turn out to be treasure for the ones who cannot afford them and remain shadowed from the light of education throughout their lives. I am very happy to be a part of this mission and just pray that this mission prospers and reaches out to every underprivileged and bring a smile on their face.
We often talk about social service, but we hardly ever get an opportunity. So Salam Zindagi came forward and gave us this opportunity for actual social service. I liked the program when I read through the papers, and the school gave me the leadership program to take the step forward.
Our Padhaएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं is a welcome step that has been initiated by Salam Zindagi. In fact, we as educationists feel that we have to spread this message of spreading education. Teach one, teach one. Children have to be made aware and they can do wonders. Once the message is there and millions get to know, and there can be total transformation in the society.
Our school has come up with a very nice and helpful mission for the underprivileged students who do not have the resources to take the things and amenities to buy them. So we are supposed to donate the things so that they could help them in their future and could shape their lives. Our Padhai Ek Zindagi Banaye, as it is very clear by the sentence that education can change our life. We all are Indians and they are our brothers and sisters. So it is our moral duty to help.
We personally feel that this is going to make a difference, a huge difference in the future of our country. Since these very students are the future of our country, and if they don't get education, our country won't develop.
Helping is something which I love to do. Last day, when the school prefects and Bhati ma'am came in our class, they made us aware about the mission Aao Padhaye Zindagi Banaye. I was very much happy and excited that I have got the opportunity to be the part of this mission and contribute for the needies. And yes, I am very much proud that I am the part of this noble cause.
And we actually went to every class to make aware the children about this mission, Aao Padhaye Ek Zindagi Banaye. Beautiful line which conveys so clearly that education is the key to every success.
To help a child, the best way is to provide and help him in education.
As my 2 years elder brother has always been helping me in my studies by giving me some notes and other references, by getting inspired by it, I have also decided to help children.
I truly believe that we have two hands, one to help ourselves and the second to help others.
And remember, if we'll help others, then they'll also help us when we'll be in trouble.
As I'm a single child of my parents, by helping these poor children, I feel like I'm helping my siblings and really proud to be a part of this noble cause.
I personally feel that it is the right of education for all the students and all the children in the society.
I am very happy and proud to be a part of this campaign. This would fulfill many dreams and shape many lives for future. It would help the children to express themselves better in the world around them.
Once I got to know about this mission, I was instantly excited about it, and I donated a school kit, and it makes me feel obligated that I should donate to give them the privileges they deserve.
I was like, wow, what a mission. I went home, donated some of my material, and I'm proud that I'm a part of this mission.
When I first came to know about this Aao Padhaye Ek Zindagi Banaye, I thought it would be just another dumb lecture. But when our teacher and the school heads were done with this speech, whoa, I was blown away. It has completely changed my perspective about donation. Now I realize how privileged we are to get these basic necessities and also studying in a very well-esteemed institution. And I also realized that we can do a little bit towards helping those who struggle to get the basic necessities. I look forward to helping those children and encourage everyone else to do the same.
When I came to know about this mission, I felt very happy and I donated the things which are not useful for me but can be useful for those students.
How Padhai Zindagi Banai is a noble cause, and I think it's a good platform for the children to participate and learn social work, and they can participate even by donating the small things. At least it will inculcate a good habit of donating and helping the ones who are needed, rather than wasting the things which they can donate to their fellow friends.
So we appreciate this step taken by Salam Zindagi, and I wish Salam Zindagi all the best.
आओ पढ़ाई एक जिंदगी बनाए, आओ पढ़ाई एक जिंदगी बनाए,
आओ पढ़ाई एक जिंदगी बनाए, आओ पढ़ाई एक जिंदगी बनाए,
आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं,
आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं,
आओ पढ़ाएं एक जिंदगी बनाएं।